Now let's look at a more complex task for GPT Classify. So here I have a table with a list of animals, and I want to classify each animal by its biological or zoological class. And over to the right, I've got a list of categories: mammal, bird, amphibian, reptile. And I want to put each of these animals into the correct category. So let's click in the cell under class, and I'll type $GPT _ C, and that brings up GPT Classify in the menu. And then I get a parentheses. And now I'm just going to click in that first cell where it says rattlesnake, and that puts a cell reference in my formula, and I'll type a comma. And instead of just typing the names of the categories of animals, I'm just going to select them, and that puts a range of cell references in my formula. And now I'll put a parentheses and press enter. So that correctly classified the rattlesnake as a reptile. I'll double click on this cell where I've got the formula. And now in this range of cells, I'm going to put a $ between the letters and numbers. So a $ between G and 6, and a $ between G and 9, and press enter, and nothing happened in that case. However, now if I go back up to the reptile cell, point my mouse at the blue dot in the lower right corner, my cursor turns into a cross. I can drag it down to the bottom of this column, and it's still loading for crocodile. Okay, for some reason, I don't know why it did this, it could not classify crocodile. However, it did classify all of the other animals in their correct category.